everybody. It is Bombit 2 Pops Breaks on Saturday. It is the 25th of June. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It's a one-box break. We randomed up our 38 remaining box numbers. We got number 43. We did random team sales for this on your left. We have already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized y'all. Gave you a chance to trade. Did have one trade go down. That's been entered. Gotta double check the chat before we pop our final seal there. Alright, Golf, I'm not hearing anything. So here we go. So, Rams. Gonna get our free spot, guys. Rams gonna get the free entry. Well, this figures too, man. This always happens to me, man. This is one thing I wish I could sure get away from is pulling teams. This is both helmets so early in the series. Gonna be Chase Claypool Speed Flex helmet. She has the gold visor on it as well. Beckett Witness hologram, 3D bumpers. What does it say? Mapletron? I don't know what the fuck that means. Jesus Christ, man. Wow, man. Hank and Albert. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. We were yesterday. It was all spread around, man. Today, Hank and Albert friggin' dominating here. Albert, only won the cash box, but he's been hitting a lot of freebies and then won the promo. Hank gonna take the Claypool. Well, we knew we had to get some nice boxes back to back there, guys, because just what we were pulling. Two very nice hits in a row with the Z Chrome. Now the Chase Speed Flex. Let's see what else we can find here. Alright, then the Rams were a freebie. And then, wow, Leo gonna take that one. Hank, our whole list is going to be Hank and Albert here. That's going to wrap up that, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bombit 2 Pops.